Last time, Mia, Robo, and Spark discovered the secret AI planet. They thought they had found a safe place. But then a mysterious message appeared. The AI King is coming. And now, the real adventure begins. Far beyond the secret AI planet, a gigantic black spaceship appeared. Its red lights began glowing. Inside the spaceship sat the mysterious AI King. He looked at a glowing screen showing Mia and her AI adventure book. Suddenly, every light on the secret AI planet turned red. The crystal AI tower began shaking. Robot animals ran toward their homes. Robo shouted, "Mia, someone is attacking the planet's main system." Thousands of tiny flying robot drones appeared in the sky. They surrounded the crystal AI tower. Spark quickly activated the planet's defense system, but there were too many drones. Mia opened her AI adventure book. A glowing map appeared. She noticed something strange. The drones were all connected to one central signal. Mia smiled and said, "We don't need to fight all of them. We just need to find their control signal." Mia, Robo, and Spark rushed inside the crystal AI tower. They climbed higher and higher until they reached the AI core. But the control signal was already entering the core. Suddenly, a giant hologram appeared. It was the AI King. He said, "Give me the AI adventure book, Mia." Mia held the book tightly. "Never. It belongs to everyone who uses knowledge to help others." The AI King sent a powerful energy beam toward the core. Crack. A glowing crack appeared across the giant crystal. The entire planet began shaking. Robo shouted, "Mia, we have only a few seconds." Mia raised the AI adventure book. Suddenly, the book began glowing brighter than ever before. A mysterious symbol appeared on its cover. Spark stared at it in surprise. "Mia, that's not an ordinary AI book." Then a powerful voice came from inside the book. "The true power of the AI adventure book has awakened." What is the true power of the book? And can Mia stop the AI King? To be continued in episode 15. Moral true knowledge should be used to help others, not to control them.